take a look at this. It looks like a scene from a Hollywood blockbuster, right? Wrong. This is real life in 2026. If you still think AI is just a chatbot on your phone, you're missing the biggest shift in human history. We are officially entering the era of the humanoid, where the line between digital code and physical reality is vanishing forever. In just the last few months, the robotics world has gone nuclear. Look at Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. It's no longer clunky or awkward. It has the manual dexterity to handle a delicate egg without cracking it. Then there's Boston Dynamics' new electric Atlas. It moves with a range of motion that is literally impossible for a human being. But the real disruptors? Companies like Unitree and Robot Era, they're taking these machines out of the lab and onto the Great Wall of China. They're making robots affordable, accessible, and ready for the mass market. But it's not just about lifting boxes. It's about connection. Meet Amika. Her facial expressions are so hauntingly human, it'll give you chills. She can mirror your emotions, crack jokes, and even engage in complex social debates. We're moving from tools to entities. And while these robots are mastering the physical world, another revolution is happening inside our own heads. The Neuralink Bridge. Elon Musk's Neuralink has officially bridged the gap. We've seen the first human patients controlling digital interfaces with nothing but a thought. No keyboards, no voice commands, just pure intent. This isn't just about helping the paralyzed walk again. It's about the eventual fusion of human consciousness with artificial intelligence. We are becoming the interface. Imagine downloading a new language or skill directly into your brain. That's the trajectory we're on. But here is the billion-dollar question. What happens to us? When a Unitree robot costs less than a family car and can work 24/7 without a break, what happens to the global workforce? We are looking at a total transformation of healthcare, manufacturing, and even space exploration. But we're also staring down the barrel of massive job displacement and the terrifying unpredictability of AGI, artificial general intelligence. We are the last generation of pure humans to inhabit this planet. From here on out, we coexist with a new species of our own creation. Is this the ultimate upgrade for humanity or the beginning of our obsolescence? The future isn't coming anymore. It's already here. The question is, are you ready to adapt? Drop a comment below. Would you trust a humanoid robot in your home?